पणजी महानगरपालिकेचे 2022 ते 2023चे अदमासपत्रक 84.48 कोटी रुपयांच्या एकूण अदमासाचे तुळेन फकत 39.70 कोटी आसा. मोठ्या प्रमाणात येणावळ ठकल्या विरोधकांचो आरोप. जाल्यार बरीच येणावळ बाकी आशिल्ल्याचे मेयरानय मान्य केलां. 2022 ते 2023 कर महसुलाचे अदमासपत्रक 48.23 कोटी रुपया दवरिल्ले, तर 2023 ते 2024 अर्थसंकल्पीय अदमास 32.24 कोटी रुपया आसा. अर्थसंकल्पीय अदमासात 16 कोटींची कपात दाखयल्या. 8 म्हयन्यांची प्रत्यक्ष येणावळ आणि फुडल्या 4 म्हयन्यां खातीर संभाव्य येणावळ 13.47 कोटी रुपया, म्हणल्यार वट्ट 53.17 कोटी रुपया. 31.31 कोटी रुपयांची तूट दाखयल्या. CCP अदमासीत महसूल वसूल करपाक अपेक्षीत आसल्या. ही 31 कोटी 31 लाखांची रक्कम कित्याक वसूल केली ना, विरोधकांचो प्रश्न.
Today's discussion was about the 23-24 budget that we had to present before the council for approval. So budget was approved. There was not many issues that were raised. So this year there is a surplus around 1.7 crores. 1.7 crores. Yeah. So I think this is the first 2 years where we have not had to break our fixed deposits to pay for salaries or anything like that also. See, now for every nation we have a lot of outstanding. Now unfortunately there has that market issue that has been pending for 15 years. That National Theatre is pending, our CCP building is pending. So now all of that we started to slowly take up. So for example, the National Theatre now also we have made progress in that. We have to appoint a new estate officer, which we are approaching the government for permission. Once that is given, then hopefully within the next 3-4 months we will push for eviction of that thing, and we want that property back. Same with the market issue also. We have now all of those people have been given the live-in license agreement, which none of the tenant wanted to sign. So now we have changed that to a lease agreement, so taking some of their points into consideration. Now that is with the law department pending approval. So once that is done also, now we want to approach the tenant association and ask them to sign, because now that outstanding for the market is around some 25 crores, which is not a joke. So we have been paying the electricity bills, water bills and everything, and that is coming basically from taxpayers' money. So that should not be happening.
लीज एग्रीमेंटा बगर पणजी मार्केटातली शॉपां चलयतात. तांचे कडल्यान कुस्कुटाची येणावळ ना. त्या संबंधात गोवा 365 विचारिल्ल्या प्रश्नांक रोहितान दिल्ली जाप.
And the people who is having the shops in the market there.
They are not paying anything, no, because they have not signed the lease agreement. So now we have to ask them to do it.
So without signing, how they are running the business?
So that is not, see, before now we had not been given sealing powers. So now on our request and everything, we approached the DMA and they have granted, and the government, and they have granted us sealing powers. But now we cannot go and seal the shops because our agreement also is pending approval also, because we had to change it from a live-in license agreement to a lease agreement.
आणि आदलो मेयर आणि 8 नंबर वॉर्डाचो कॉर्पोरेटर सुरेंद्र फुतार दोन CCP बजेट 2023 ते 2024 चर्चेचो नियाळ सादर केला. पळयात. गोवा 365 खातीर विन्सेंट रोजारियो, जवाहर बर्वे आणि निखिल जल्मी.